This is how we feed ourselves.
Xander, are you eating your own oatmeal?
Yeah, he is. Look at that. He's like, I'm gonna eat it with my own. I'm gonna eat it myself.
Is that your spoon?
Oh my God! Look at this.
What are you doing? Hey, Xander, what are you doing?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, did we lose our spoon? Daddy, we lost the spoon. Help.
Here.
Spoon? He's like, you feed me. All right, Daddy, you try. The tongue gets in the way.
No tongue. Where's the tongue
Here,
at?
move this over here. Mmm, yummy oatmeal. Comes out the other end. Mmm. That's good. It's all over my face. Xander, what are you doing, buddy? Hey. Xander. What you looking at?
Oh, he's looking over here somewhere.
Is that your toy? Daddy gets oatmeal all over my face.